In 1979, by a special decree, it was decided to build a heavy water plant near Drobeta Turnu Severin, under the name of the Drobeta chemical plant. Although several locations were initially considered, including Cernavodă and Valea Lotrului, the final choice was the village of Rascolești, 6 kilometers from the city. The water necessary for the process was brought from the Danube, and the hydrogen sulfide, essential for deuterium extraction, was produced right in the factory, then compressed and stored in special tanks. The factory was powered by steam from a thermoelectric power plant in Halanga, located 3 kilometers away. The enrichment of water with deuterium was done in 2 stages: isotopic exchange and distillation, in complex installations manufactured entirely in Romania. The entire process was supervised by a rigorous quality assurance system, implemented for the first time in the industry, with a major impact on national technological standards. Several Romanian equipment suppliers were involved, and the installation was carried out by trusts and specialized teams from all over the country. In 1987, the first hydrogen sulfide charging of a module took place, after operational tests had begun in 1983. In parallel, it was decided to expand the plant with the so-called Stage 2, necessary to double production in the context of planning more CANDU reactors. The construction was an example of industrial and technological mobilization, culminating in the production of heavy water of purity superior to international requirements.